Hi, this is Sergio for Code, and I'm gonna show you how I process my kicks. I'm gonna start with channel 1 with a MIDI line where I inserted a kick 2 VST. And I'm gonna open it and tune my kick to the desired note I want. This time it's gonna be C. So after that, I sound design a little bit on how I want my kick wave to be, and I add clicks and the volume of each click on how I want it to sound. Next to that, I have a Hornet, which is a VU meter, and I activate it so it doesn't peak, and I'm sure it's not saturating. Once I have that clear, I add a little bit of compression with my API 2500, where I already have a preset I've made for kicks. As you can see, compression is starting to act a little bit, nothing that is really hard or aggressive. After that, we're gonna add a little bit of saturation with the Studer 800. And finally, we're gonna EQ the kick drum. I also use a preset called kick drum, which adds a little bit more bass. It pushes a little bit on the low end, so it gives me more power. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the pack I did for Audiotent.